Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning in my catch-all planner for the week of August 17th through the 23rd. I'm not gonna lie guys, I tried to actually talk to you while I was filming and words were hard. I've got my coffee, I thought I could do it and I was just like, nope, this past week was so rough. So I decided to get some summer vibes going, and I'm using the kit from Coffee Planner Mom called Endless Summer. Um, so I decided kind of to go with that vibe. I do use a couple other sticker books, um, and I'm using my sections as like my appointments and to-dos. The middle is my pink zebra stuff, and the bottom is YouTube kind of social media this week. Um, just to kind of see my catch-all planner kind of morphs with my seasons of life, because in the summer it gets a whole lot more use for like a lot of personal things, and then during the school year my teacher planner gets quite a bit more use. So it just kind of ebbs and flows from week to week. So I'm using these kind of sticker washi strips from the teacher sticker book from last year because I wanted to keep those orangey yellow colors going. And I was happy to notice that the pink that was already in the spread really ended up being okay. I'm not a huge fan of covering up like everything. I don't mind doing it occasionally, but there are times where it's just like, just leave it the way it is. It's fine. So, went back to school last week and oh, it was a rough week. Like the first week of school is always rough because, you're going through procedures and, everyone's excited and, things never go exactly to plan. But my school is doing kind of, everybody uses the term hybrid a little bit differently. So I'll explain our hybrid. It's basically parent choice. The parents got to choose whether they were going to be an online learner for a semester or if they were going to be an in person learner. Um, so, trying as the music teacher who goes to two buildings, and both buildings kind of went about it a little bit differently. Trying to keep those schedules straight has been interesting, but it'll come. It's one of those things that you just gotta keep working at. So Little Sharpie Dog has his monthly appointment to get his allergy shot, so that's on Monday. I love this quote. Every summer has a story. It's so cute. I love how she hand letters. I feel like um, Coffee Planner Mom just kind of uses a little bit different style when she hand letters. Now, I said I don't like to cover everything up. This is true. And I'm still kind of out of whiteout at the moment. I'll get some eventually. But if you're out of whiteout and you've got a big section that you want to just kind of like cover up, Avery labels are like the bomb. They're so good. One of the things I'm trying to do going into this next week is with my meal planning. Um, I'm actually going to do a lot of the prep for my dinners on Sunday. Usually, my husband and I, we do like eat out night on Fridays. And he came up with this idea. He's like, why don't we try this? What if we did our eat out night on Sunday and use Sunday as like meal prep time? Like, even though we're going to be cooking a lot that day, it's not actually for that day. So you don't have to worry about making a meal on Sunday because you're prepping for the rest of the week. And so we're going to give that a try. So I don't have tweezers. I'm going to throw that out there right now. And I decided to do cut the bullet points in half to make tinier bullet points. It was a struggle. It was probably because I was partly tired when I was doing this. Um, so I got out some of my Cricut tools, and I was like, maybe this will help line it up a little bit. There's my mess of hair. How many of you have gone to a salon or, how many of you gone to get your hair cut, like professionally? I have not yet. And I'm a short hair girl, like that's what I do. And it has been a struggle. But now I'm at that point where like it's finally grown out and doesn't look as weird. So I'm like trying to keep that going. So part of being a teacher is renewing your license every so often, and I'll be up for license renewal at the end of this year, like going into next. So I have a CPR course I have to take because you have to keep on top of your CPR license as a teacher. It's part of the requirements. It's a good requirement. I just wish we could do it like your license lasts only, like your CPR license only lasts for 2 years. I'm like, I don't feel like it changes that much from year to year, so maybe we could extend that a bit, but it's cool. Look at me going outside my comfort zone with the full boxes. Since I know these are not the full length of a Happy Planner box, I was like, you know what? Do something outside your comfort zone. Let's just make some little diagonal patterns here, and let's do this in the middle section. The middle section has been like my go-to decorative section. I find if I'm going to leave kind of a section out, it's usually the middle section. But I'm still going to use it. Don't worry. There's boxes going down. I'm trying to get back into doing bingo. I took a week off, so Pink Zebra Bingo on my VIP page on Tuesday. We'll see how it goes. All of my customers there have been like, as long as you're not too stressed. So like, don't force it, which I appreciate. Putting down the trash night stickers, and of course, we gotta find a Towel Tuesday sticker. Super important. I will say one thing that was nice was letting myself decide that I wasn't going to talk while I was planning. About maybe 2 minutes in, I had this revelation, and I finally said, it's okay. Do a voiceover. It'll be fine. So on Friday, I'm going to be trying to do a Fragrance Friday on both my Instagram and on my Facebook, where either I am talking about a specific fragrance from our new fall winter catalog at Pink Zebra, or like showing off one of the new decorative like home decor products. That's the kind of stuff that I'm looking for there. We're going to give it a try. I'm trying to be more consistent with that. So I feel like Tuesdays and Fridays are really good Pink Zebra days for me. These little to-do lists are for me, like I cut the checklists in half so that I can just focus on filming and editing and pictures and just giving myself a little check-off list for that. Here we go again with the half dots. I don't know why I didn't I learned from the first time, used the little tool to help, but as you can see, it was still a struggle. But that's okay. It was still nice and relaxing to just sit and decorate my planner. And I feel like that's the thing we all need to remember. Whether you post your planner on Instagram, whether you do a YouTube channel, because I just do this for fun, like, sometimes it's just cathartic to sit and play with stickers. It's okay. I showed this pen earlier, but I'm sure most of you already know that it's a black Papermate Flair. You've normally seen me use my Sharpie pen, but this is a go-to. So this week is Zone 4 for Fly Lady, and that would be master bedroom and closet. So what I like about master bedroom and closet is there's not a lot to do. So even though my checklist is in the middle of the week, more than likely, A lot of the zone cleaning will happen on um, Saturdays and Sundays now, but we'll kind of see. Add in a few more dots, just kind of finishing up some things here. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I'm hoping to have some more teachery stuff coming up soon, but we'll see how it goes, guys. All right? And I'll see you all in the next one.